first field hospital to go up in the coming hours. PNP orders review of roofing structures for critical institutions. And police join cleanup efforts at the Black River Station after Hurricane Melissa. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Shamela Pullen. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. Details right after the break.